Want to stay ahead of customer service issues every day? Let's see how Copilot can help you share a daily summary of customer issues and triage actions, so your team is always in the loop. We'll use Copilot in Excel to quickly summarize all customer issues logged today and share triage updates with the team. First, I'll open Copilot by selecting the icon in the home menu here. Next, I'll enter my prompt. Copilot, please summarize today's customer issues and provide a triage update based on the latest data on this tab. While Copilot works, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips. In seconds, Copilot generates a clear summary of today's issues, flags urgent cases, and lists triage actions taken. Now I want to share it. Copilot, can you draft an email I can share with my team? Great! Now I can easily keep my team informed every day. Let us know in the comments how you're using Copilot to stay on top of customer issues. And stick around for more videos on using Copilot to transform your customer service.